In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close your Bank of America account by phone, in person, or mail using the official methods. Before we start, know that Bank of America does not allow you to close a checking or savings account online or through the app, so you'll use one of the three methods I'll walk you through. First, make sure your account balance is exactly zero. Move your money out by transferring to another bank, withdrawing cash at a branch or ATM, or asking the bank to issue a cashier's check. If you're moving funds electronically, give it time to post. It's smart to leave the account open and watch for a day or two until the balance truly reads zero after all movement settles. Avoid making new transactions during this stage, since any small purchase or fee could push the balance away from zero and delay the closure. Next, clear any pending activity. Look for automatic payments, subscriptions, or bill pay items that are scheduled to hit the account and cancel or redirect them to your new account. Update your payroll direct deposit and any deposits from benefits or gig platforms so money isn't sent to an account you're closing. Wait for pending card transactions and bill payments to post and for any refunds or reversals to finish. The goal is a quiet account with no incoming or outgoing items. When you're ready, choose how you want to close the account. By phone, call customer service using the number on the back of your debit card or the number listed on the bank's website. Verify your identity and clearly state that you want the account closed. In person, visit a financial center with your ID and request closure. The associate can review the balance and process it on the spot. By mail, send a signed written request that includes your name, address, the account type, and instructions to close the account and mail any remaining funds by check. Use the official mailing address shown on the bank's website and consider using a trackable delivery. Finally, confirm the account is fully closed. Ask for written confirmation or a secure message and check your accounts over the next week to ensure the status shows closed and the balance remains at zero. Destroy any remaining debit cards and unused checks and unlink the account from payment apps and billers. With those pieces in place, your closure is complete.